Local news for Tuesday, the 3rd of March. It's tight in the Wairarapa real estate market, with data from realestate.co.nz showing total stock for the region was down 36.3%, the biggest year-on-year decrease seen in any region in February. The asking price across Wairarapa is 26.6% year-on-year to nearly $600,000. The second round of community hui on the development of a stronger, more sustainable Māori economy in the Wellington region will take place throughout this month. The Wairarapa hui will take place on the 10th of March in Featherston. Greater Wellington Chair Darren Pointer says the strategy is vital for the region moving forward and encourages communities to get involved and have their voices heard. The New Zealand Young Viticulturalist of the Year competition have announced that Corteva AgriScience is the new naming rights sponsor for the program. The Wairarapa competition will take place on the 18th of June. And now in its 15th year, there are plans for a large celebration. And Greytown will take on Red Star in the Bidwell Cup cricket final this weekend. Red Star are through after defeating Lansdowne at the weekend, scoring 297 for 4. Lansdowne were all out for 246. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.